It's our almost 10-month-old baby playing with the puppy. Oh, no, don't lick her face. Oh, no, no. Can't be licking no face. She loves that puppy. Noelle, you love that puppy, huh? Ooh, you okay? You fall on your butt? You okay? I guess so. Right back up. Ooh. She's gonna try to get over there now. She's been doing good. Go get him, baby. Oh, now he's gonna come over here. Ooh, you okay? Here,